Hello to Alex and to the rest of the Valiant construction team. My name is Samantha, reaching out from Feed Me Leads. I spoke to Alex on the phone and I told him that I would send you guys over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your website really quickly. I'm going to go through one of your competitors' sites. And then I'm actually going to give you guys 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in some more high quality traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you guys watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on the Valiant Construction homepage. The first thing that I usually try to look for is to see if the site is secure, which it is. Secondly, I like to see a phone number right at the top of the page. So maybe we could add that in. After that, I go through and I see how much content is on your homepage. And so Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words on this homepage. I did a word counter search and you guys currently have 138 words. So you definitely might want to add in some more content on here. We also want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they are going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they're looking for. In addition to having the right amount of content, you also want to make sure that content is filled with an appropriate amount of buyer intent, high volume keywords. And so Google loves information, and we can strategically put the right keywords in that information to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be in front of when people search for it. And so a great example of a good keyword is General Contractor Walnut Creek. And so this keyword brings in 400 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a few of those into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one keyword. And so beneath where the search bar is up at the top, we may typically see some Google ads. There are none popping up for me at the moment, but Google ads are a really good way to get your name out there, build some brand recognition, particularly while you are waiting for your SEO to warm up. However, if they're done incorrectly, they can be quite a waste of money, but if they're done right, they are a great way to get things moving quickly. And so right beneath where the ads would typically be, now here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. So the Google Map Pack is extremely important. It brings in a huge amount of revenue, particularly if you are in one of these top 3 spots. In order to do that, you need to have a lot of citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So Yelp, Yellow Pages, Yext, Angie's List, those are all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. And so you want to get yourself on more of those than these 3 businesses have right here. And also, when you are entering that information into those directories, you want to make sure that it looks the exact same as it does on your Google Business Profile page so that it will count as a citation. And so now I've scrolled down, I've made it to the organic search results. And so this should definitely be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term return on investment. Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, they're going to be clicking on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to be clicking on one on the first page. And so down here is that this is the first company page that pops up for this keyword. And so scrolling through, you can see they don't have very much content on here either. I actually did a word counter search and they currently have 368 words. So it would be extremely easy to beat them out with the amount of content that they have. In addition to having good content, in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered relevant backlinks. And so a backlink is just a clickable text from one website to another. It's basically one website giving a shout out to another website. And you want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered and relevant sites. So for example, if a popular local restoration company were to give you a backlink from their website, that would be a really good way to bring more power to yours. And so over here, I've hopped onto Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a really great tool. If you guys ever try and bring this in-house, I highly recommend it. It is a little pricey. It costs me around $350 a month to use, but it gives a lot of great information. And so I just typed in the competitor that we were just looking at, and it tells me they have 81 backlinks from 24 different domains and are ranking organically for 99 keywords. And so we can take a look and see which keywords those are. Here it will list the different keywords, how many people search for that keyword every month, what position they hold for that keyword on Google, and how much traffic it brings them. And so we can go through and see which ones apply to what you do, bring in the most volume, and we can incorporate the best ones into your content. And so now I want to go back and do the exact same thing that I just did with the backlinks, that I just did with the keywords. And so right now it's telling me that they have around 100 and something different backlinks. You don't want to just beat them out with the quantity of backlinks, you want to beat them out with the quality as well. So they actually only have 81 different backlinks. And so we want to go through, we can find the best ones and snag them for your site, go through other competitors' websites, go through their backlinks, get the best ones. And we want to be keeping an eye out for ones that have a high DR domain rating. So we can get some from different competitors and find some on our own as well. And so now I have actually typed in your website into Ahrefs as well. Right now, you guys don't have any backlinks from any domains and you're currently not ranking for any different keywords. So I think if we were to incorporate the 3 things we talked about into your marketing plan, you could definitely get a lot more high quality traffic. And to recap what those were, number 1, we want more quality educational content with the right keywords. Number 2, we want more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number 3, we want more high-powered relevant backlinks. And so to go back to their page, it was saying that they had 84 different people searching, there's going on their site every single month. And usually that is actually 10 times the amount that the Ahrefs tool says. But let's just say that they do have 84 people on their website every single month. If they were to convert half of those into customers, that'd be 42 different people every month. And I looked up online and it says that the lowest average cost for a general contracting job is around $1,500. So if we were to take the lowest price, that would be $63,000 per month. And if you were to factor in a 25% profit margin, that would be $15,750 per month or $189,000 per year. But I know that often jobs can cost a lot more than that, and there would actually probably be 10 times more people on your site. So hopefully that gives you a good idea of the benefits of investing into your website. If you want to learn more, you can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.